Well, welcome back to the Daily Refresh. Having the sun beaming through your windows, such a nice feeling in the spring, but once you're deep into summer, it feels like that inside of your house is kind of being cooked, and you are too. Well, Window World is here to help and show us how it works. We've got Brian Palmer here to tell us all about it. Brian, thanks for being with us today.
Thanks for having me.
I am so excited about this setup. I've seen it work in action. It's incredible. But before we get to this, what is Window World for people that might not know?
Window World is the nation's largest exterior remodeler. So we sell more windows than basically everybody else combined.
There you go. Just that easy.
Yes.
Just that easy. Now you brought a pretty cool setup,
Yes.
so tell us about it.
This is what our salesman would bring into your home. So this shows you, a lot of people think that low E is a gimmick, and I'm here to show you that it's not.
Okay.
So as far as energy efficiency goes, you have to go with low E. As a matter of fact, nowadays it's code.
Okay, there we go. So he's got a heat lamp and a thermometer here set up currently at 100 degrees, and we've got a very nice overhead shot.
Yes.
So we'll be able to show you guys we're not making up the numbers. So there you go, 100 degrees right now. And Brian, what's this first window?
This is basically just double strength glass. There's no low E in it at all. You can see it's about 30 to 33% efficient. So it's not
67,
very
68.
efficient.
Okay.
And it drops.
So that's the demonstration of what just double pane glass does.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now this is obviously in your walls. Solid insulation. You can't see through it, but obviously it gets it down to
Yeah,
26.
dropping
So,
it.
Yeah.
But I hear we like to see through our windows.
Sure,
So
a little
Yeah.
bit maybe.
Now
We've
if
got
you
some
go
pretty
with
views here in Chattanooga.
our standard low E.
That says 11
11.
degrees.
Yeah. So it's about 89, 90% efficient.
Wow.
Yeah.
Our next tier up, watch this.
From 100.
4.
Brian, that says 4 degrees.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah,
4
so
degrees.
literally 95 to 96% efficient.
And feeling it, you literally feel like no heat. That
won't.
is crazy.
And that's why you're not going to get the condensation a lot of people
Yeah.
get. And
Yeah.
you're going to come home from a long day at work and your house isn't going to be 100 degrees inside because of this glass.
That is incredible.
And then this is our triple pane,
Okay.
which get down to about, so it's about
2
97, 98%.
degrees.
Wow.
Yeah,
that is
it's
crazy.
literally, it's life-changing.
Brian, that is.
Yeah.
Oh,
And
yeah.
it's just, it like literally, and you feel over there, it's so hot, it's literally blocking
That is
it
so
completely.
cool.
That is.
Yeah, it's literally, like, again, people think that it's a gimmick. There's a reason why it's code nowadays.
Yeah.
Yeah, not a gimmick.
No, it's not a gimmick at all.
So, is this perfect for certain types of people, certain types of homes, any home, any business?
It's any home, any business. Obviously, people like to save money. This glass right here is only about $30 more per window than our basic low E. So
Okay.
imagine going 89 to 90% all the way up to 97, 98% for $30 more a window.
Yeah.
I'm here for that.
Yeah.
I'll pay that.
And right now, we can actually install a standard low E window and professionally installed starting at $438 a window.
Okay.
Wow.
But the prices are going up May 1st, so we definitely want to get out
Get
there.
in there now. Yes.
in there
And how
now.
long does the installation process take? Anything
Most-
like that?
Most installations take a day.
Oh,
depending on.
really?
Yeah, if it's 20 windows and under, it's
Sure.
pretty much guaranteed. Obviously, we have to tear it apart,
Right,
see
right,
what's in the
right.
walls, but yeah, most of them are in a day.
So we're paying for comfort and convenience.
Absolutely.
Oh my
I
God.
love this.
Yeah,
love this.
I do too.
Well, all right, Brian, if we're wanting you guys to come out to our home, our business, where do we go to get in contact with everything?
Windowworld.com, windowworldchattanooga.com, or you can call us 1-800-NEXT-WINDOW.
Perfect.
Or 423-296-0866.
Just that easy.
Yes.
Y'all, this is one of the coolest things I've ever seen, and it works.
Me
It
too.
really does.
Yes.
Brian, thanks for being with us today.
Thank you, guys.
Absolutely.